A routine traffic stop took a bizarre turn when deputies pulled over a vehicle straight out of a sci-fi movie. Lane violations? Expired Indiana tags? Sure. But the real mystery, was this car from another planet?
Hey, how you doing?
I've never stopped a UFO.
I come in peace.
Me too.
All right.
This is interesting.
Huh?
I said this is interesting.
Yeah.
Okay.
We're going to Roswell, New Mexico.
I saw the sign.
Are you coming with us?
I can't. I got to finish working tonight.
Oh, man.
The driver, fully in character, claimed he was headed to Roswell and promised to fix his out-of-this-world registration back on Krypton. Officers reminded him to obey Earth's speed limits and keep his phasers set to stun.
When you're doing 55 miles an hour, it's going to take a week to get there.
Well, I can hit the warp speed if you want me to.
Well, I wouldn't want you to do that. I don't want you to get a speeding. Do you have a driver's license and your insurance for this?
Yeah.
Can I see it, please?
Yeah.
With a few laughs and a warning, the intergalactic traveler continued his journey. Just proof that on the highway you really can see it all.
All right, well, you guys be careful, okay?
All right, thank you, sir.
All right, thank you.
A routine traffic stop turned into a full-throttle chase when Brandon Williams decided that 83 miles per hour wasn't fast enough. The smell of marijuana in his car raised suspicions, but instead of handing it over, he hit the gas, blasting down Interstate 40 at a blistering 140 miles per hour. What followed was a high-speed game of cat and mouse that could only end one way.
Tennessee 9, Tom George 856, 9, Tom George 856, 280, eastbound.
With officers closing in, Williams weaved through traffic, showing zero concern for anyone else on the road. But speed only gets you so far. Trooper Wright executed a textbook TVI, bringing the Charger to a screeching halt. Even then, Williams wasn't ready to give up. He tried to push the patrol car out of the way, but quickly found himself boxed in. His last-ditch effort? Tossing a Ziploc bag out the window, which, spoiler alert, didn't disappear into thin air.
Get on the ground! Get on the ground! Put your hands behind your back!
With 90 grams of marijuana, a digital scale, and a long list of charges, Williams's need for speed landed him straight in a jail cell. His car, totaled, his freedom, gone, and that next available court date? Let's just say, it's the only thing he won't be running from anytime soon. Christmas parties are meant for fun, but one driver took the holiday spirit a little too far. After a night of drinking, he hopped behind the wheel and led Florida Highway Patrol on a wild, high-speed chase. But what started as reckless fun ended with one of the cleanest pit maneuvers you'll see all year. This guy had no clue what was coming. Weaving through traffic, pushing his luck, until FHP made their move. With precision timing, the officer tapped the rear of his car, sending him spinning out in seconds. No drawn-out pursuit, no second chances, just instant justice. As usual, the driver bailed, leaving his female passenger to deal with the aftermath. But FHP was faster. Officers chased him down, slapped him on the cuffs, and made sure his holiday ended in a jail cell. Next time, he might think twice before mixing drinks, bad decisions, and high-speed getaways. A routine traffic stop on Highway 78 took a wild turn when a biker decided to test his luck. One glance at the patrol car, a quick shake of the head, then full throttle. In seconds, he was flying down the highway at 130 miles per hour, weaving through traffic like a stunt gone wrong. Officers stayed on him as he nearly lost control multiple times. When he tried to slip past a guardrail, his luck ran out. The bike went down, and so did he. A last-ditch sprint on foot didn't last long. He was quickly taken down and cuffed.
Approaching 11.
He's off-road.
Clear on off-road.
Stop! Stop! You're gonna quit!
He's near the bridge.
See your head! Let me see your head! Head! Get off the ground! Get off the ground! Get on the ground! Roll over!
His excuse? The tag was expired and he just wanted to have a little fun. But that fun came with a price. Multiple charges, a revoked license, and a trip straight to jail. Maybe next time he'll think twice before turning a simple stop into a high-speed disaster.
Oh, you get it 9 Thunder?
A routine traffic stop turned into pure chaos when a minivan with no taillights took off, tires screeching. The driver, later ID'd as Forest Trees, sped through a motel lot, then hit the streets, running red lights and dodging traffic like he was in a video game. But officers weren't playing.
Milledgeville, we're on North Columbia headed south towards MLK. North Columbia south towards MLK. It's a black minivan of some sort. Black minivan.
Turn on black minivan.
Going left on MLK. Left on MLK. No 28 displayed. Let's see if I can put them here.
We're clear north on MLK.
10-4. On MLK headed towards Jefferson. Milledgeville, we're at Jefferson, making a right. Southbound Jefferson. Southbound Jefferson.
Clear North Jefferson, making a right.
Trees weaved through lanes, pushing his luck, until a perfectly timed pit maneuver sent the van flipping. It landed upright, the passenger screaming for help. Trees? He bolted into the woods, vanishing into the night.
Montgomery now. Jefferson and Montgomery.
I'll put Jefferson and Montgomery.
Making a left on Montgomery. Left on Montgomery.
We're clear, making a left on Montgomery.
Just went straight through the intersection. And we're coming to a back road back here. Pulling.
We're clear, coming up on that back road.
We are making a left on the Hancock. Headed out 22 towards Sparta. It looks like it's one occupant. Just a driver.
We're clear. There's one.
Milledgeville, pit, roll over, pit, roll over, pit, roll over. EDMS and route, River Bridge.
No pit and roll over.
Hey, stop! Show me your hands! Stop! Stop!
Deputies rescued the passenger and found meth in Treese's motel room. His escape wouldn't last long, because no matter how fast you run, you can't outrun the law forever.
361 Milledgeville. Ma'am, are you okay?
Thanks for watching. We hope you enjoyed these intense moments caught on camera. Stay safe out there, and we'll see you next time.